Hello and welcome to another Do It All Yourself Guide quick tip video. Today I'm going to show you how to display the remaining battery time on your laptop. So I have an HP laptop where I'm not able to see the remaining battery time. Here's what I mean by that. When you hover over your battery icon in your system tray in the lower right corner, I can see the remaining battery percentage, but I can't quite tell how long that's going to be lasting and when that's going to end. I initially thought this was part of the Windows settings. So the thing you could do is if you go over to your Windows button, search for battery, you'll see power, sleep, and battery settings, which is part of the system settings. Click on that. You get your power and battery settings, and in there you could see your battery percentage, which is the same number you see when you hover over the battery in your system tray. However, it does not tell me how long 67% is going to last. Is that 5 minutes? Is that 4 hours? And there is no setting in Windows to enable that. To enable displaying the remaining battery time, this is actually a system BIOS, basic input output system setting. So what you'll need to do is go to your system BIOS to enable that feature. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to restart and I'm going to go into the system BIOS and change that setting. So to enter your system BIOS is going to vary from laptop to laptop. So you're going to want to be ready. It's either going to be Escape or F1 or F2. I happen to have an HP laptop. So for HP laptops, you're going to hit the Escape button as your computer is restarting, and you're going to get the menu that enables us to go into your system BIOS. On some laptops, you'll have some text that gets displayed as your laptop is starting up, and it will tell you F1 or F2 for BIOS settings. So I'm going to go ahead and restart my laptop, and then we'll update the setting in the BIOS. Be ready with the Escape key. Keep hitting Escape as your laptop is restarting, because that will get you your startup options, your startup menu. Here's your startup menu. In my case, for HP laptops, there's multiple options. You can enter system information, system diagnostics, boot menu, and then F10 BIOS setup. That's what we need. You can go ahead and hit F10 to enter the BIOS setup. And here it is. For reference, I happen to have BIOS revision F.12. F.12 is what I have. Other BIOS setups that are UEFI compatible will have similar options, but in my case, it's F.12. And what we want to do is use your left and right arrow keys to move the menu. So here's the top menu. See main, security, configuration. Under configuration, there will be a setting for battery remaining time. That's what we want. It is currently disabled. So use your up and down arrow to get to that setting right there. Hit enter, which gives you the option to enable or disable. Use the up and down arrow to move to enabled. Hit enter again. Right there, here's the item specific information. It basically says enables reporting of battery remaining time in your operating system. So in Windows will be able to read that value from your BIOS. Go over to the exit menu and hit save changes and exit. Hit enter again. Confirm save changes and exit. Yes. And then your computer will reboot one more time and get back into Windows. So we are back in Windows after changing the setting in the BIOS for remaining battery time. I'm going to go ahead and hover over the battery. And as you can see, I can now see my remaining battery time show up under the battery. Also, if you go to the power settings, power, sleep, and battery settings right here, you'll also be able to see the same exact information right there, estimated time remaining right under the battery percentage. And that's how you enable displaying estimated time remaining for your battery on your laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, consider subscribing to my channel, and please leave some comments below. I'd like to hear your feedback or share some of your experience to help others out. Thanks for watching.